In this video, I'll show you how to add Affirm to Shopify. Start by signing into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left menu, go to Settings, then click Payments. Next, if you're using Shopify Payments, check whether Affirm is available as one of your supported payment methods in your region. If you're using a different payment provider, review the available alternative payment options. After that, follow the prompts to enable Affirm and complete any required account setup or verification steps. Now review your payment settings and make sure Affirm is enabled for your store. Save your changes before continuing. Next, visit your online store and add a product to your cart. Go through the checkout process to confirm that Affirm appears as a payment option for eligible customers. Finally, place a test order if possible and verify that the payment process works as expected. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add Affirm to Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.